In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the risk for futures trading on TradingView and TopStep. Understanding how to assess risk effectively is crucial for any trader, whether you're new to the game or a seasoned pro. First, let's explore how you can utilize TradingView in your risk management strategy. A fundamental step is to establish a risk percentage. This is essentially the maximum percentage of your account balance that you're comfortable losing on a single trade. For instance, if your account balance is $100,000 and you've decided that 1% is the maximum you're willing to risk, this equates to $1,000 for any given trade. With this percentage firmly in mind, move on to the identification of your stop loss and entry points. Using technical analysis, select an entry price that aligns with your trading strategy and set a stop loss price to limit potential losses. Now, we turn to leverage, a powerful tool within TradingView, the risk calculator indicator. To find this, simply navigate to the TradingView scripts section and search for Futures Risk Calculator. Once you've located this invaluable tool, adjust its settings to reflect your account size, the selected risk percentage, as well as your entry and stop loss prices. Armed with these inputs, the indicator springs into action, calculating the maximum number of contracts you can trade while remaining safely within your predetermined risk parameters. This approach ensures you are not over-leveraging your account, allowing you to trade more confidently. Moving on, let's discuss how to effectively use TopStep for futures trading. A critical aspect of trading with TopStep involves familiarizing yourself with their trading objectives. They have clear guidelines for their funded traders, including rules like the daily loss limit. This is where your trader dashboard becomes indispensable. It acts as your personal command center, allowing you to easily monitor your daily loss limits and other vital objectives. TopStep goes further by offering risk management features like the TopStep XTM Daily Risk Lock. This feature empowers you to lock in your personal daily loss limit, set profit targets, and establish trade limits for each trading day. It's a strategic tool that ensures you're grounded in disciplined trading practices. Ultimately, practicing risk management is a dynamic process. During TopStep's Trading Combine, you have the opportunity to prove your risk management skills according to their specific rules, which is a necessary step towards qualifying for real capital. This practice not only sharpens your trading skills, but reinforces your ability to maintain discipline. By integrating the tools and strategies from both TradingView and TopStep, you're well on your way to implementing robust risk management in your futures trading endeavors. Remember, the goal is to protect your capital while maximizing your potential for success. So dive in, calibrate your settings finely, and approach each trade with confidence and caution. Happy trading!